All right, I am going to attempt a waterfall, a rainbow waterfall, and I got my inspiration from a photograph of a waterfall, and it had some colors in it, and I thought, well, since I do abstract art, I'm going to do an abstract waterfall. So I'm going to start with just putting the foundation down. It's just going to be white, and I'm going to flood the whole canvas. All right. I think I'll do blue up here, and I'm going to have water down here, so that will be blue. So I'm reaching over because all my paints are over there because the end of my table is here. I had to switch positions to accommodate for a longer canvas. So I'm going to move over here and grab the colors I want on top. All right, I am going to take this swipe tool, this plastic, and I'm not going to put a swipe color. I'm just going to swipe. It didn't swipe everything. Alrighty then. Where do I put this? I gotta fix that. don't like that blue. Take it out. Before this dries, I have a plan. I'm going to take a cell activator and I'm just going to come down on that area here. All right, here's what we got. I mean, the bottom cells was very unexpected. I was gonna do splashing water down there, but I just can't disrupt what happened. So here is the waterfall so far. It will be embellished with the second stage of this painting. And I'll bring you in close up to see the cells that are forming. I don't know. We'll just see what happens, shall we? While we wait for this to dry. I've decided I'm going to need some brush strokes here. And instead of using just, you know, a regular old paintbrush, I have a makeup brush. It's all fluffy and round. Very odd. This is an experiment. And I'm going to see if I can pull it off. So I'm pouring a little of the mixed white paint in there. Yeah. This is still wet. I thought it was dry, so now I got blue in there. Darn it, I thought it was dry. this is where embellishing your pour helps improve a painting or fix a painting. In this case, I got shadows, so you can't really see. They're just brush strokes and little splatters over there. Let me see if I could show you overall. It's so long, it's hard to get in the frame. But let's see if I can get overhead. I think it's an improvement, especially since it didn't dry the way I wanted it to. And I'm hoping that this stays to my liking. I think it will. Yeah, I rather think it's unique, different. It's an abstract. What do you want? I had fun with it. I hope you had fun watching.